What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple client upsell automation on Make.com. Let's get started. I'm using Monday.com as my project management tool, and on Monday, I've created a board that I've renamed to Elevate Realty Agency Clients. Here's where we're going to add our clients. On our board, we are collecting the full name of our clients. We are assigning them to a member of our team. We're also collecting the date we created them, the last time we updated them, their status, and on status we have intake and the upsell as the status of each of our clients. We're also collecting their first name, last name, their company name, their email, and their phone number. I'll create a webhook that will be triggered after the status of one of our clients changes to upsell, so we can send them the upsell email. So on Make, I'll search for webhooks, then click on Custom Webhook. Here, I'll click on Add, and then I'll rename our webhook to Client Upsell, and then click on Save. Here, I'll copy the link to our webhook, then click on OK. And then on Monday, I'll click on Integrate. Then here, I'll click on Webhooks. Then I would like to send a webhook when the status of one of our clients changes to something. So I'll use this as our template. And then here, I'll use another account and paste the webhook URL that we copied from Make right here. And then on Make, I'll run our webhook. Then on Monday, I'll click on Connect. It says fail to communicate with the URL provided. So here, we'll need to return this challenge text using a webhook response. So on webhooks, I'll click on webhook response. And then here, I'll add two curly braces and write challenge right here. And then here we'll add our text and then click on OK. And then I'll run our webhook again. Then on Monday, I'll click on connect. You can see that it ran successfully. Here, I'll delete our webhook response. And then I'll set up our webhook. So I would like to send a webhook when the status of one of our clients changes to upsell. Then I'll click on create automation. To test if our webhook works, I'll run it. And then I'll change the status of one of our clients to upsell. You can see that it ran successfully and we're getting the specific client whose status we just changed. Now, to get the rest of their data, like their first name, last name, their email, or their phone number, here, I'll copy this pulse ID. And then here, I'll add another module and search for Monday. And then on Monday, I'll search for get an item module. Then click on get an item. Here, you'll need to create a connection between your Monday.com account and your Make.com account. To do that, just click on add, then rename your connection right here and add your API key from Monday over here. Then click on save. Since I had already created my connection, I'm going to close it and choose my connection right here. For the ID, we're going to add the pulse ID. For the board, we're going to search for our board. Here, I'm going to search for Elevate Realty Agency Clients, then click on OK. And then here, I'll run this module by pasting our pulse ID right here and clicking on OK. Now you can see that we're getting their data right here, like their first name, last name, company name, their email, and their phone number. With the client's data, we can now send them the client upsell email. So here I'll add another module. Then I'll search for email and click on send an email module. And then I'll rename it to client upsell email. And then click on OK. For the client upsell email, we're going to add our client's email address. Right here is the recipient email. And then the subject line of this email could be in the lines of, let's unlock your next real estate opportunity. For the content type, we're going to choose plain text. And the content of this email could be on the lines of, hi, first name. And we're adding our client's first name from Monday. I hope you're settling in wonderfully and making amazing memories in your new home. Being part of your real estate journey was such a privilege, and I'm so thrilled we found the perfect place for you. But why stop there? I'd love to help you take the next step in growing your real estate dreams. To make it even sweeter, I'm offering you a free 1-hour real estate consultation to explore exciting opportunities tailored to your goals. Here's how we can continue to support you. Number one is investment opportunities, where we have exclusive access to off-market properties and high-yield investment options, perfect for savvy buyers like you. The way we can help them is property management services, where we've partnered with the best in the business to make owning a property stress-free. From tenant placement to ongoing maintenance, we've got you covered. Another way we can help them is referrals for friends or family, where we're telling them, refer them to us, and they'll get the VIP treatment you deserve. Plus, every referral that closes, you receive a $250 gift card as a thank you from us. Then we're concluding the email by saying, let's connect soon to chat about how we can make your next real estate move a success. Reply to this email or call me directly to book your free consultation today. Looking forward to hearing from you. Warm regards, Dave, real estate expert at Elevate Realty Agency. And I'm going to click on OK. Now, today's Eve automation will automatically send our client upsell email after we change the status of one of our clients to upsell. I'll run automation, and then I'll change the status of one of our clients to upsell. You can see that automation ran successfully. Here, we triggered our webhook after we changed the status of one of our clients to upsell. And then we got our client's data from under here. And then with our client's data, we are sending our client the client upsell email, this module here. And the email that we are sending to our client has the subject line and this email content right here, where we are upselling our client on different services that we offer at our agency. This is a simple automation that you can create right now to upsell your clients on the different products or services that you offer in your business. If you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like for me to create, just comment down below in the comment section. And if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire system or automation from scratch. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.